Thank you for your purchase on Funride Duke 3-in-1 Tricycle. This tricycle comes with attractive looks, strong body base, water sipper, foldable umbrella and wide wheelbase at back for a perfect riding balance. This tricycle is easy to assemble by following some simple steps. You will also need a piler, screwdriver and a hex key. To begin with, take the main body and place rear mudguard to body with the help of provided screws. Now place seat to main body with the help of nuts. Then insert front wheel complete to main body. Now insert battery to the handle with the unlock at WHT the help of provided screws. In the next step, place handle to fork and fix the handle with the help of provided clamp and nut and bolt. Place handle cap to the front handle and lock it with the help of screws. In the next step, place rear wheels to the main body with the help of axle pins on both the side. It is easy to lock it by just pushing it to the main body and lock it. It's time to place foot rest to main body, use nut and machine screw to fix it. Now is the time to place handrest to main body, lock it with the help of push buttons. Now place umbrella to main body with the help of lock buttons. In the next step, insert flute pipe to main body and fix it with the Funride screw and lock button. Now fix movement rod to flute pipe with the help of provided nuts on both backside and on the handle. In the next step, place bottle stand to main body and lock at WHT the help of screws. And then place bottle to bottle stand. It's time to place parental handle to flute pipe and fix it with the lock button. Now fix parental handle to pipe with the help of nut and machine screw. Your beautiful Funride Duke 3-in-1 tricycle is now ready to ride.